Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this really cute set using the products that come in the April Your Nail Lab box. But before I get into the tutorial, I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. First thing are these really cute metal bear charms. They come in gold, rose gold, and silver. It also comes with a mix of AB rhinestones and clear rhinestones. It also comes with some white flower charms, some floral print foils, a gel nail liner in pink carnation, a foil glue gel, another nail liner in bling bling. It also comes with a polygel in Sea Sisters. This one is like a pink pearlescent color. It also comes with another polygel. This one is in cake, and this one is also pearlescent but more of a beige. It also comes with 12 different glitters. And that is everything that comes in the box. If you guys are interested in this box, you guys can purchase it on yournaillab.com. So moving on to the nail tutorial, I'm going to start off by pushing back my cuticles. Now I'm going to remove the shine off of my natural nails using a 180 grit sanding band and my Melody Susie Scarlet drill. I have it at about 3000 RPMs, which is like a very low speed. You want to be very gentle when doing this. You do not want to overfile or use a lot of pressure. You just want to lightly remove the shine. This step is very important if you want your nails to last. You could use a buffer or a regular hand file if you do not feel comfortable using a drill on your natural nails. Now I'm just removing the dust and just cleaning off my nails with some alcohol. Now I'm going to be applying my nail tips. The nail tips I'm going to use are the Not Polished Triple XL Square C Curve nail tips. I did flatten these a bit, that way they wouldn't have like a super deep C curve or anything. And I am using the McCart nail glue to glue them on. When gluing on your nail tips, you want to make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall and that they don't fit too tight or anything like that, because they will eventually pop off. Now I'm going to cut down my nails to my desired length using a nail tip cutter. And now I'm going to lightly shape up my nails with a 100 grit nail file. Now I'm going to take my sanding band again, and I'm just going to lightly blend in the nail tip to my natural nail and also remove the shine off of the nail tip. This part is not 100% necessary, but I just feel like it makes the application a lot smoother. And I just feel like the product sticks a lot better when the nail tip has no shine. Now I'm just going to dust off my nails, and then I'm also going to clean them with some alcohol. You want to make sure that you clean them very well and that there's no dust or anything like that. Now I'm going to dehydrate my nails using the JC Beauty Concept Dehydrator. This is just going to get rid of any excess oil or anything that's still left on your nail plate. And now I'm going to prime my nails using the Not Polished Triple X Bond Primer. This part is super important if you want your nails to last long. Now I'm going to apply a thin layer of base coat. I'm using the Beetles Base Gel. I'm applying this because I'm going to be using polygel, and this is just going to make sure that the polygel sticks. Once I'm done applying it, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to use the McCart foil glue, and I'm just going to apply this onto the ring finger, only on the tip. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then once it's out of the lamp, I'm going to be applying this foil. I'm just going to place it where I want it, and then just with my thumb, I'm going to rub it for like a minute and just make sure that like it's really on there. That way when I take it off, like there's no missing pieces or anything. I'm going to be using this Beetles Polygel in 103. This one came in a kit. I don't remember which one exactly, but I'll try to link it down below. I'm going to be using 70% alcohol for my slip solution. And I'm just using a polygel brush that came in a Beetles kit. I'm creating an ombre on this now, so I applied a small to medium sized bead and then I blended it downwards and then I cured it, and now I'm applying my second bead, and I'm using this to build up the color and also to build up the nail bed area just a bit, and I will be blending that down as well. So once I cured that, I am going to be encapsulating the ombre. So I'm using the Beetles clear polygel, and I'm just applying that where I blended the nude down to the foil. And I'm just going to be encapsulating that ombre and also the foil. For the middle finger, I'm going to be creating another ombre, and I'm going to use the Macar Polygel in C Sisters. I am going to be applying this onto the tip, and I'm going to spread it out and then smooth it out. I did blend it up a bit, that way my ombre is easier to create and that way there's no harsh lines or anything. Once I'm satisfied with how that looks, I will be curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'll come in with my Beetles Nude Polygel again and create an ombre the exact same way I did with the ring finger. For the pointer finger, the pinky, and the thumb, I will be doing a full nail of this Nude Polygel. So this is how my nails look like right after application. They look really good in my opinion. I'm really proud of how they look so far. So now I'm going to be removing the sticky layer with some alcohol. So moving on to filing, I'm going to do most of my filing with this hand file. This is a 100 grit nail file by Pana, and I'm just using this to file the sidewalls, the free edge, and also the surface of the nail. Now I'm going to use my Pana 5-in-1 drill bit in a fine grit, and I'm just going to file around the cuticle area with this just to seal in that cuticle area and just make it nice and flush to the natural nail. Now I'm going to buff out my nails. I am using just a little buffer. I believe it's a 180 grit buffer, and I'm just buffing my nails, and this is just gonna get rid of any little scratches that may have been left behind. Now I'm just gonna dust off my nails, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash them. Now I'm going to glue on some little charms. I'm gonna use the Macart rhinestone glue to glue them on. I'm gonna use the little white flowers and the little gold charms, I don't know what to call them, that came in the little flower kit thing from the box. And I'm also going to use one of the little gold bears, and then I will be putting some little caviar beads in the middle of the white flowers. Once I have everything placed where I want it, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take this Macart nail liner in Bling Bling, and I'm just going to outline the tip of the ring finger. So yes, the sidewalls and the tip. And then I will cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to top coat the nails with the Beetles gel top coat, and then I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And that will be it for today's video. I really liked how the nails turned out. I think they looked super cute, and I'm really proud of my application. I think I did a pretty good job. I am still like a beginner with Polygel, so pretty proud of that. Again, if you guys are interested in the Your Nail Lab box, you guys can purchase it on their website. I will have a link down below. I believe you guys can also purchase the items separately on the Macart website, so if I could find everything, I will link it down below. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the nails. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.